Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, you will learn how to extract text from HTML files using Python. HTML, hypertext markup language, is a standard markup language for creating web pages. Sometimes, you may need to extract text from HTML files for various purposes such as web scraping, data analysis, or content processing. Python provides several libraries and modules that make it easy to parse and extract text from HTML files. In this tutorial, we will use the beautifulsoup library, which is a popular choice for HTML parsing in Python. Before we begin, make sure you have Python installed on your computer. You will also need to install the beautifulsoup 4 library, which you can do using pip. To extract text from an HTML file, follow these steps. Replace sample.html with the path to your HTML file. Extract the text. You can use various methods provided by beautifulsoup to extract text from specific HTML elements. Here are a few examples. Save or process the extracted text. You can save the extracted text to a file, perform further processing, or use it as needed for your specific application. Here's a complete example that extracts text from an HTML file. Replace sample.html with the path to your HTML file. That's it. You now know how to extract text from HTML files using Python and the beautifulsoup library. You can adapt this code to your specific needs for extracting and processing text from different HTML documents. ChatGPT.